Hey there, awesome learners. My name is Jeff Frankowiak, and I'm the Director of Technology here in Rochester Community Schools. Today is a big day. You're getting your very own Chromebook. This device is your gateway to a whole world of learning, fun, and creativity. In this video, our team will walk through how to log in, take care of your Chromebook, and to make the most out of this amazing tool. We've asked some RCS students and teachers to help us explain the basics, so let's get started.
I remember when I got my first Chromebook. It was exciting, but I definitely needed a little guidance on what to do. So let's start with the basics. First things first, time to power on. The power button is located on the left side of your computer. Press the button and a white light will flash to let you know it is powering on. Next, you will see a login screen asking for your username and password.
In elementary school, your username and password are created and given to you by the district. Keep both of these safe and do not leave your personal information in a space where others can find it. Your password is something secret, so keep it safe and don't share it with anyone, even your best friend. This is important in keeping our district network safe.
Once you've typed in everything, just click next and drumroll please, you're in. Now your Chromebook is ready for you to explore all the cool apps and tools for learning.
Your classroom teacher and school information literacy specialist will spend time teaching you how to make the most of your Chromebook to support your learning. During media, we'll also spend time thinking about how you can be a good digital citizen and balance your screen time.
Now let's talk about how to take care of your Chromebook. It is a valuable tool, so we want to keep it in good shape.
Be sure to keep drinks and snacks away from your Chromebooks. Doritos may be good, but orange crumbs on your keys are not a good look. Wash your hands after snacking to keep your keys and screen clean. If your Chromebook does need to be cleaned, be sure to clean your screen with a microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints or dust. Just a gentle wipe, no need for water or sprays. Your Chromebook is delicate, so keep it looking sharp.
We also know adding a personal touch can be important. Rather than adding stickers directly to your case, you can ask an adult to help you gently remove the case and add paper underneath for your personal flair.
Your Chromebook needs energy to keep going just like you need snacks to stay focused. Plug it in when you're done using it, especially if battery is low. Charging it overnight is a good idea to make sure it's ready for the next day. Creating a consistent charging station at home is a good way to keep track of your charger.
When you're not using your Chromebook, be sure to close it gently. Don't slam it shut. Store it in a safe place like a desk or your school bag so it doesn't get bumped or dropped.
Also, make sure to log out when you're done using your Chromebook, especially if you're using it in a shared space. This keeps your information safe, keeping in mind that completely powering down your Chromebook rather than just shutting the lid will make sure your Chromebook automatically updates.
Now you know how to log in, take care of your Chromebook, and use it safely. You're ready to start using all the amazing apps to learn, create, so go ahead, explore, share ideas, and have fun.
Thanks for watching, and remember, take care of your Chromebook, and it'll help you do some amazing things. Let's make this school year our best one yet.